नमस्ते बच्चों, आज हम पाठ 7 नया उजाला पाठ का अभ्यास करेंगे. So today we'll do the exercise of chapter number 7 and the name of the chapter is Naya Ujala. I hope you all have read this short poem and the name of the poem is Naya Ujala. So here we'll continue from page number 42. So you can see here Abhyas, that means exercise. Part Gyan, knowledge of the lesson. And here the first exercise is निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों के उत्तर लिखिए. So you have to answer the following questions. पहला प्रश्न का, पेड़ हमें क्या देता है? So what do the tree gives us? You have to write the answer. खा, सूरज हमें क्या देता है? What do the sun gives us? गा, किसान हमें क्या देता है? So what farmers gives us? घा, अनपढ़ की मदद हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? The meaning is how can we help an uneducated person? ङा, हम नया उजाला कैसे ला सकते हैं? How can we bring new light in others' life? So you have to write the answers in your notebook. Now let's check the answer. First one, का प्रश्न था पेड़ हमें क्या देता है? इसका सही उत्तर है पेड़ हमें छाया देता है. खा प्रश्न, सूरज हमें क्या देता है? सूरज हमें रोशनी देता है. गा प्रश्न, किसान हमें क्या देता है? और इसका सही उत्तर है किसान हमें भोजन देता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अनपढ़ की मदद हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? इसका सही उत्तर है अनपढ़ की मदद हम उन्हें पढ़ाकर कर सकते हैं. लास्ट क्वेश्चन, हम नया उजाला कैसे ला सकते हैं? और इसका सही उत्तर है हम नया उजाला मेहनत का दीप जलाकर ला सकते हैं. Now you have to write all these questions and answers in your Hindi notebook with proper date and chapter number. Now let's move on to the second exercise. The question is, कविता की पंक्तियाँ पूरी कीजिए. So you have to complete the poem. का, देश हमें देता है सब कुछ, हम भी dash. So you have to fill this blank space. खा, सूरज देता हमें रोशनी, हवा dash. गा, फूल महक महक कर हमें खुशियों डैश. घा, जो भूखे हैं उन्हें भोजन दे, जो अनाथ डैश. So you have to pause the video and fill in these space. Now let's check the answer. Second exercise, का, देश हमें देता है सब कुछ, हम भी तो कुछ देना सीखे. नेक्स्ट, खा, सूरज देता हमें रोशनी, हवा नया जीवन देती. गा, फूल महक महक कर हमें खुशियों से भर देते हैं. द लास्ट वन, घा, जो भूखे हैं उन्हें भोजन दे, जो अनाथ हैं उन्हें सहारा दे. सो these you have to write it in your Hindi notebook. Now let's move to the next exercise, that is the third one. The question is, सही या गलत का निशान लगाइए. So you have to mark whether it's true or false. So the first one is का, हमें दूसरों की मदद नहीं करनी चाहिए. That means we should not help others. Now you have to mark it whether the sentence is true or false. खा, पेड़ धूप में हमें छाया देता है. So the tree gives us shade. गा, किसान धरती पर खेती कर हमारी भूख मिटाता है. So the farmers gives us food by farming on the fields. The meaning is farmers gives us food by farming in the fields. घा, हमें अनपढ़ लोगों को पढ़ाना नहीं चाहिए. So we should not teach the uneducated. So you have to mark whether these sentences are true or false. Now let's check the answer. So the first one, हमें दूसरों की मदद नहीं करनी चाहिए. So it's a false statement. खा, पेड़ धूप में हमें छाया देता है. It's true. गा, किसान धरती पर खेती कर हमारी भूख मिटाते हैं. It's true. घा, हमें अनपढ़ लोगों को पढ़ाना नहीं चाहिए. It's false. So you have to write these sentences in your Hindi notebook. Now let's move on to the fourth exercise. जोड़े मिलाइए. Match the following. So here you can see on one side का, तेज धूप में, खा, फूल की महक हमें, गा, सूरज हमें, घा, देश हमें, गा, हम मेहनत के दीप. And on the other side you can see first one, रोशनी देता है. सेकेंड, देता है सब कुछ. थर्ड, जलाकर नया उजाला करे. फोर्थ, खुश करती है. एंड द फिफ्थ वन इज पेड़ हमें देते हैं छाया. नाउ यू हैव टू मैच इट. नाउ लेट्स चेक द आंसर. का, तेज धूप में, एंड द करेक्ट मैच इज पेड़ हमें देते हैं छाया. खा, फूल की महक हमें खुश करती है. गा, सूरज हमें रोशनी देता है. घा, देश हमें देता है सब कुछ. गा, हम मेहनत के दीप जलाकर नया उजाला करें. Now let's move to the fifth exercise. And the question is, सही उत्तर चुनिए. So you can see for each questions 4 options are there and you have to choose the correct option. The first question, का, मूक लोगों की मदद हम कैसे कर सकते हैं. So how can we help the dumb? The 4 options are, first one, आवाज बनकर, by being the voice. Second option, उनकी हंसी उड़ाकर, by making fun of them. Third option, उन्हें परेशान कर, by disturbing them. Fourth one, उनका साथ ना देकर, by not supporting them. So you have to choose the correct option. Let's move on to the next question. खा, भूखों की मदद हम कैसे कर सकते हैं. The meaning is, how can we help the hungry people? The options are, first one, भोजन देकर, that means by giving food. Second one, उन्हें धक्का देकर, the meaning is by pushing them. Third one, उनका मजाक बनाकर, by making fun. The fourth option, उनसे दूर जाकर, that means by going far from them. Now you have to choose the correct option from these given options. Now let's move to the third question. गा, फूलों की महक से, the meaning is the fragrance of flower. And the options given are, first one, हम दुखी होते हैं, that means makes us sad. Second one, चिढ़ जाते हैं, meaning gets irritated. Third one, खुश होते हैं, makes us happy. And the fourth one is सामान्य रहते हैं, the meaning is just remains normal. So here also you have to choose the correct option. The fourth question, हम देश की मदद कैसे कर सकते हैं. How can we help our country? The options are, first one, मित्रों का मजाक उड़ाकर, by making fun of our friends. Second option, लोगों से लड़ाई कर कर, by fighting with other people. Third one, नया उजाला देकर, that means by giving new light. And the fourth one is प्रेम कर कर, by living with love. So you have to choose the correct option. Now let's check the answer. So the first one, का, मूक लोगों की मदद हम कैसे कर सकते हैं. The correct option is आवाज बनकर. खा, भूखों की मदद हम कैसे कर सकते हैं. The correct option is भोजन देकर. गा, फूलों की महक से. The correct option is खुश होते हैं. And the last one, हम देश की मदद कैसे कर सकते हैं. The option is Naya Ujala Dekar. So you have to write all these exercise in your Hindi notebook. Now let's move to the next exercise, that is page number 44, Bhasha Gyan, knowledge of the language. Here the first exercise is Anek Shabdo ke liye ek shabd. So you have to write one word for these sentences. So two examples are already given. The first one, जो पढ़ा लिखा ना हो. So in one word we say unpad. Second example, जो पढ़ा लिखा हो, who are educated. So in one word we can say shikshit. Like this you have to write one word for these given sentences. And the sentences are, first one, का, जो उपकार करता है, that means those who help others. So you have to write one word for this. खा, जो मेहनत करता है, those who do hard work. गा, जो मिठाई बनाता है, those who make sweets. घा, जो बच्चों को पढ़ाता है, those who teach the kids. So now you have to write one word for these sentences. Now let's check the answer. So the first one, का, जो उपकार करता है, we say उपकारी. खा, जो मेहनत करता है, the word is मेहनती. गा, जो मिठाई बनाता है, we say हलवाई. घा, जो बच्चों को पढ़ाता है, we say अध्यापक. So you have to write these words in your Hindi notebook. Second exercise, the question is समान तुक वाले शब्द लिखिए. So you have to write the rhyming words. You can see here options are given there in the bracket and you have to choose the correct rhyming word. So the first one, का, हमारी. So and the options are तुम्हारी, कुछ, छाया. So you have to choose the correct rhyming word for हमारी. खा, मिटाते. And the options are सीखे, झगड़ते, वाणी. So here also you have to choose the correct word. गा, जलाकर. The options are सहारा, मिटाकर, पढ़ाए. And the last one, घा, सिखाए. The options are पढ़ाए, खेती, रोशनी. So you have to choose the correct rhyming words for these given words. Now let's check the answer. So here the first one, का, the given word is हमारी and the rhyming word is तुम्हारी. खा, मिटाते and the rhyming word is झगड़ते. गा, जलाकर and the rhyming word is मिटाकर. घा, the word is सिखाए and the rhyming word is पढ़ाए. So you have to write all these rhyming words in your Hindi notebook. Now let's move to the next exercise, that is the third one. निम्नलिखित शब्दों में से संज्ञा शब्द चुनकर लिखिए. So here you can see options are given and you have to select the nouns. Noun means naming words. So the given words are गुब्बारे. गुब्बारे means balloon. चमकाए means to make it shine. अधिक means more. तेज, speed. टोपी, cap. मेला means fair or exhibition. कुत्ता means dog. भालू means bear. मैं means I. क्यों meaning is why. हंसना means happy. नाचना means to dance. So among these given words you have to select the nouns. Nouns means naming words. Now let's check the answer. The naming words are गुब्बारे, कुत्ता, मेला, भालू and टोपी. So I hope you all have done it. Now let's move to the fourth exercise. And the question is निम्नलिखित शब्दों के स्त्रीलिंग रूप ढूंढ कर लिखिए. So you have to choose the feminine words from these given option. So here the first one is का, पड़ोसी. खा, दादा. गा, राजा. घा, चाचा and nga, Nana. And the given options are Chachi, Dadi, Padosin, Nani and Rani. So you have to select the correct one. Now let's check the answer. So here Ka, Padosi, and the correct match is Padosin. Next one Kha, Dada. So its opposite is Dadi. Ga, Raja. The correct match is Rani. Gha, Chacha. The correct one is Chachi. Nga, Nana. The correct one is Nani. So you have to write all these exercise in your Hindi notebook. Now here in page number 45, you can see Rachnatmak Abhivyakti. That means creative expressions. So here two exercises are there. The first one, आज आपने जो अच्छा काम किया है उसके बारे में आपने मित्र के साथ बातचीत कीजिए. So here the question is, you have to write the good things which you did today. So you have to write these things in your Hindi notebook. After that you have to submit in Microsoft Teams. Second exercise, चित्र में क्या क्या दिखाई दे रहा है. Second question, बच्चे खुश क्यों हैं. Third question, मिलजुल कर खेलने से क्या लाभ है. The meaning is, what all things you can see in this given picture. So you have to write the answer. Second question, why are the kids happy? So you have to write the reason also. And the third one is, what are the benefit of playing together with your friends? So you have to write all these answers in your Hindi notebook. Then you have to submit in Microsoft Teams. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. अब हम अगली क्लास में मिलेंगे. धन्यवाद.